Esteemed audience, it is my privilege to welcome amongst us the distinguished board members of Sunbeam Group of Educational Institutions, Chairperson Dr. Deepak Madhok, Vice Chairperson Mrs. Bharti Madhok, Assistant Director Mrs. Pratima Gupta, Honorary Director Mr. Harsh Madhok, COO Finance Mr. Sandeep Mukherjee, honorable guests and dear parents, welcome to Palette, Colors of Heritage. Dear audience, let the hall echo with your warm applause.
Wow, Ananya, you look absolutely radiant today. It feels as you have truly embodied the spirit of Natraj through your attire. Well, Satakshi, today isn't just about performances. Well, is it? It feels like we are carrying the soul of India onto the stage. Its colors, its stories, its timeless traditions, all coming alive through us. And you know what? What makes this moment even more extraordinary? Well, what's that? Well, we are graced by the presence of someone who has devoted her life preserving and celebrating this very heritage, a guiding light in the art and culture.
Who's that, Ananya?
Well, she's none other than Mrs. Pupul Jackar.
Oh, yes.
Thank you, dear. It's wonderful to be here tonight among young artists and audiences who cherish the living traditions of India.
Mrs. Jackar, you had spent your life weaving together the threads of our cultural heritage. So, ma'am, how do you see the theme of tonight's celebration, Colors of Our Heritage?
Wow, what a beautiful theme. You see, India's heritage is not in black and white. It's a kaleidoscope. Every dance, every craft, every song is a shade on a living canvas. Folk dances like Bhavai, classical forms like Kathak, and the storytelling of Pandwani, each one is a page of our history, filled with color, emotion, and creativity. My life's work has been to uncover these pages, bring them to life, and share them with the world.
You have introduced Indian arts internationally. How do people abroad respond to our heritage?
The response has always been magical. When I brought these arts to France, Japan, and the US, audiences saw more than just a performance. They saw the stories of courage, devotion, and creativity, which is the essence of our heritage. It's a living, breathing dialogue, and when young artists reinterpret these traditions, they add new colors to the palette, making it more richer and more vibrant.
Well, tonight our young performers are presenting arts from all corners of India. Kathak, Pandwani, Bhavai, Bag dance and Natraj. So, ma'am, how do you connect this with your work?
That is exactly why I celebrate these efforts. Each performance is a brushstroke in the grand painting of our heritage. When young children perform these arts, they are not just imitating history, they are living it. They are sharing the stories of our ancestors. Right, Ananya?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what message would you like to share with the young artists and audience here tonight?
I would say treasure every tradition, every craft, every song, for they are the essence of who we are. Study them, understand them, and then create with them. Let your own imagination blend with history.
Thank you, Mrs. Jackar, for your lifelong dedication and for teaching us that every art form, every performance, and every story is a color in the infinite palette of India's heritage.
Thank you.
Before we move forward, let's take a moment to go over a few housekeeping rules to ensure everything runs smoothly for everyone.
Good evening and Jai Hind, everyone. Before we begin this vibrant celebration, may we have your kind attention for a few important housekeeping guidelines to ensure a pleasant and hassle-free experience for all. We request you to kindly keep your mobile phones on silent mode throughout the program. Please avoid photography and videography during the event, as official photos and videos will be shared with you by the school. We request you to refrain from eating during the performances to maintain the decorum and allow everyone to enjoy the program without disturbance. Drinking water facilities are available at the venue for your convenience. Please feel free to use them whenever required. Emergency exits are clearly marked. In case of any emergency, please stay calm and follow the guidelines of the school staff and volunteers. For your convenience, the female washrooms are located on your right and male washrooms are located at the back of the venue. Thank you for your cooperation. Your support helps us create a smooth, safe and enjoyable evening for everyone.
They say traditions become glorious when they grow year by year. Last year marked a proud milestone for Sunbeam Indiranagar as we witnessed for the very first time the stirring performance of our bagpipe band. And building upon that legacy of excellence, this year we raised the bar even higher. Last year, students of classes 6 to 8 performed the bagpipe. And this year, we proudly continue this proud musical tradition with an even more spirited presentation. So please welcome the school band, the Bagpipers of Sunbeam Indiranagar.
डियर पेरेंट्स, क्या इन बच्चों के साथ ताल के ताल हम मिला सकते हैं? कैन वी क्लैप फॉर देम? जितनी एनर्जी उनकी है उतनी एनर्जी आपकी भी होनी चाहिए. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा. And I guess that deserves a huge round of applause for these young children giving their best.
What a truly captivating performance. Please give them a round of applause.
Every performance you witness this evening will celebrate the essence of who we are, our heritage, our stories, and the soulful expressions that make our culture timeless.
Dear audience, now it is time for Sunbeam School Indranagar to present a reflection of the year gone by. For a school is truly known for its annual report. With advancement in technology, we present to you an AI integrated annual report.
True education is about cultivating character, not just curriculum. Believing in this thought, I, Reena Vikram Singh, welcome you to the annual function palette, The Colors of Heritage. At the outset, we express our heartfelt gratitude to the Almighty for the blessings and success bestowed upon us. We are grateful for the remarkable journey of growth, resilience, and accomplishments that have brought Sunbeam School to where it stands today. At the beginning of the session, we gave ourselves the target to give more platform to student agency. Today, I wish to call my students to share the annual report with you. May I call upon Student Council to take things forward.
The Sunbeam Group has completed its 53 years with remarkable milestone. At the outset, I thank the Almighty for all the blessings and success bestowed upon us in the past 5 decades of its existence. Established in the year 1972 by Mrs. Sartaj Kaur Ahluwalia and freedom fighter Sardar Bhagat Singh Jamke, the vision was further turned into reality by their daughter and the founder mother of Sunbeam English School, Bhagwanpur, Mrs. Deesh Ishrat Madhok. She was able to carry forward their dream only because of the support and encouragement from her husband, Dr. Amrit Lal Ishrat Madhok. But it was under the mentorship and able guidance of Dr. Deepak Madhok and Mrs. Bhati Madhok that Sunbeam grew many folds and spread its wing not only in Varanasi but also in other parts of eastern UP.
The Sunbeam Group of Educational Institutions. It is at the zenith of its excellence with 7 schools in Varanasi, namely Sunbeam Annapurna. With a proud legacy of over 27 years, it stands as a beacon of learning, guided by a clear and unwavering vision to nurture holistic development in every student. Sunbeam Bhagwanpur for over 52 years has been nurturing young minds with the vision of creating promoters of social transformation, who are individuals committed to service, moral values and academic excellence. Now drawing out the best, Sunbeam Indranagar as one of the most innovative middle schools, where we focus in developing the 4 C's: critical thinking, creativity, collaboration and communication. Sunbeam Lehartara, which stands as a center of excellence. It is where Indian values meet global vision. Sunbeam Sarnath, situated close to the heritage site of Sarnath, is equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure in a lush, green and pollution-free environment. Sunbeam Sun City is set in a 65-acre green campus, and it is a leading CBSE day-come boarding school that blends academics, character building, and global exposure. Sunbeam Varuna offers a comprehensive educational experience from kindergarten to senior secondary levels, fostering holistic development in a dynamic and engaging learning environment. Sunbeam International Varuna, the first Cambridge International affiliated school in the historic city of Varanasi. It is a proud part of the Sunbeam Group of Educational Institutions, established in 2022 with a vision to bring world-class education to the heart of Uttar Pradesh.
Beyond our day schools, Sunbeam provides a home away from home through our residential facilities at Sunbeam Bhagwanpur, Lehartara, Varuna and Sun City, catering to students from across the region. Our commitment to higher education is reflected in our women's colleges at Sunbeam College for Women, Bhagwanpur and Sunbeam Women's College, Varuna. Furthermore, we take immense pride in our philanthropic arm, Sunbeam Gramin School, which provides a high standard curriculum and modern facilities entirely free of cost to 1,000 unprivileged students. Today, the Sunbeam vision continues to grow through our vibrant network of associate schools across 16 districts of eastern UP.
Every year, our school continues to upgrade its infrastructure, and this year, we have made remarkable progress at Sunbeam Indiranagar. We successfully completed the construction of Lexicon, our new library, along with an additional multi-purpose hall, Kriti, the conference room, Sanmati, a dedicated chess room, and a much-loved terrace garden. These thoughtfully designed spaces encourage creativity and a deep connection with nature, beautifully reflecting the calm and serene spirit of our Shanti Niketan. The music room and lounge area have also undergone a complete renovation, making our school look even more welcoming and vibrant.
We also marked this year with purposeful learning, innovation, joyful experiences, cultural vibrance, values, discipline, sportsmanship, leadership development, confidence enhancement, promoting healthy living culture and global exposure. As part of experiential learning, we were taken on educational visits to places of historical and cultural importance, such as Sarnath, Kandveshwar Temple, Ramnagar, Panchganga Ghat, and many more.
People say our school is small, but here hearts are big, dreams are bigger, and care is the biggest of all. Every teacher knows my name, my friend's name, and even my principal man knows me. This is not just a school, this is home.
My school gives me opportunities every day to perform, speak, create, explore, and grow. With every activity, I become more confident.
In Sunbeam Indiranagar, learning is not only about books, it is about kindness, teamwork, curiosity, and happiness.
At Sunbeam Indiranagar, education goes beyond academics to build socially responsible citizens. Throughout the year, students actively participate in CSR and sustainable initiatives such as eco-friendly idol making, distribution drives, plantation drive, etc., promoting environmental awareness and sustainable living.
As we conclude this annual report, I express my sincere gratitude to our guiding lights. Chairperson Dr. Deepak Madhok, Vice Chairperson Mrs. Bharti Madhok, Director Mrs. Amrita Burman, Assistant Director Mrs. Pratima Gupta, Honorary Director Mr. Harsh Madhok, Dean Academics, Creativity and Innovation Mr. Aditya Chaudhary, COO Finance Mr. Sandeep Mukherjee, COO Hostel and Residential Affairs Mr. Ashish Rai, and QA R&D Team Head Additional Director Mr. Paul PV for their unwavering support and vision. I also thank our teachers, staff, parents and students who together make Sunbeam Indiranagar a thriving learning community. Let us continue to grow, inspire and lead with values. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Mom. It was truly being a remarkable and successful year for us. Now, dear audience, we invite you to witness the proud moment and glimpses of awards and achievement earned by our fellow friends, teachers and Sunbeam.
did. I guess they all deserve a huge round of applause. Can we hear for your children and other kids?
Innovative School Chain of the Year at Global Education Awards 2025 and has been ranked among the top 5 schools in Varanasi for 5 consecutive years, a milestone that reflects consistency, commitment and continuous growth. Can we hear for Sunbeam School Indiranagar? May I now request PRO Sunbeam School Indiranagar, Mr. Kushagra Mishra, and Academic Head Mrs. Shalini Narang to graciously present the award to our ever-inspiring role models, Honorary Director Mr. Harsh Madhok and Assistant Director Mrs. Pratima Gupta. Can we have sir and ma'am? Dear audience, this is such a big achievement. Keep clapping. Now, I request Senior Academic Head Mrs. Noopur Singh to kindly come forward to present the award for Outstanding Leadership. May I further request our esteemed Chairperson Dr. Deepak Madhok and Vice Chairperson Mrs. Bharti Madhok to graciously come forward to receive the award. Dear audience, these are the torch bearers for Sunbeam Group of Educational Institutions. Keep clapping for them. Ladies and gentlemen, Sunbeam Indiranagar has been ranked number 1 in Varanasi, ranked number 2 in Uttar Pradesh and ranked number 7 across India for outstanding leadership. Can we hear for sir and ma'ams a round of applause? With this, we celebrate not only success but the determination behind it. Now forever a part of the Hall of Fame at Sunbeam School Indiranagar. Thank you, sir and ma'am.
Hey Satakshi, have you ever wondered how much paper we use every single day in school?
Of course. Notebooks, worksheets, assignments, notices, and whatnot. You see, paper is everywhere.
Exactly. And what surprises me the most is how quickly it gets thrown away. Half-used notebooks to old notices, which still have value.
Exactly, Ananya. People often forget how valuable paper actually is.
Well, everyone says that paper is important for learning. But sometimes I wonder that do we really respect it or we just simply become careless with it?
That might happen in many places, but not in our school.
Really? What's different here?
Our school believes paper has many lives. One-sided printed sheets becomes rough work. Old newspapers, used notebooks are carefully collected instead of being thrown away.
And well, that's what makes our school different. Here, paper is not treated like waste. We treat it like a resource, waiting to be used again.
Exactly, Ananya. Waste paper is transformed into crafts, decorations, and even creative outfits.
So waste is not an end. It is the beginning of something completely different.
Yes, and by reusing paper, we save trees, which contribute to a greener environment. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
With imagination, even paper gets a new life. And our school proves that small efforts can lead to a brighter and greener future.
A meaningful initiative of our paper recycling campaign brought to life under the inspiring guidance of our art teacher, Sridhar sir. Well, with that spirit of creativity and sustainability, dear audience, please put your hands together for dazzling Best Outer Waste Ramp Walk.
Dear parents, what you're seeing on stage is not just another model. These are the teachers and the support staff of Sunbeam School Indiranagar, the backbone of the school. And here they showcase the efforts of the children. Let us all applaud and make them exciting and let them give us motivation to continue to do what they are doing. And in the center, we have Sridhar sir, the showstopper of the Ramboard. Can we hear for Sridhar sir?
You witnessed today. Esteemed members of the audience, with great respect, we now invite our honorable board members and school leaders to light the lamp of sustainability and take the pledge to act responsibility and to contribute towards a greener, cleaner and more sustainable futures for generations to come.
As each lamp is lit, may it grow inspire mindful choices, environmental stewardship, and a shared vision for a sustainable future.
Thank you, sirs and ma'ams.
Ashutosh, every grand beginning needs a guiding voice, doesn't it?
Absolutely, Avantika. A voice that inspires, reassures, and sets the tone for everything that follows.
And we are truly fortunate to have such a presence among us today. A leader who is admired for his vision, humility, and unwavering dedication.
With great pride, we invite our honorary director and team leader of Sunbeam School Indiranagar, Mr. Harsh Madhok, to kindly grace the stage and deliver the welcome address.
Hello. Jai Hind, comparators, anchors, and on behalf of the entire management of Sunbeam, I wish to welcome all the parents of the senior students of Sunbeam Indiranagar for Palette 2026. Wishing you a very, very warm welcome. The theme this year is about the rich cultural heritage of India. And it's depicted through various art forms such as dances, dramas, dialogues, etc., etc. So the whole presentation has been well organized by the team, and kudos to Reena ma'am, to Shalini ma'am, to Pratima ma'am, to Sandeep sir, to Kushagr and Brijesh, the entire team, Nupur ma'am. Well done everyone for making sure that the Palette 2026 is extremely well organized. There was a AI integrated presentation, school reports, and there has been the band which has played well. The makeup and the dresses were amazing, and I'm sure that the rest of the event, which is about various other aspects of the rich cultural heritage of India depicted through drama and dance, will be engaging and it'll spellbound everyone. So once again, wishing all the parents, once again, welcoming all the parents today for Palette 2026. I hope it's a wonderful show. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your warm and inspiring words. It really means a lot to all of us.
So, Avantika, while I was going through the show floor, I saw that we are going to have Bankim Chandra Chatterjee and Rabindranath Tagore on the stage. I mean, what's the purpose of that? And if I'm not wrong, weren't they from two different eras?
Indeed, they belong to two different eras. Yet, history often moves forward because one visionary lights the torch and another carries it ahead.
This relationship between them reflects this bridge between two generations. One igniting the flames of national consciousness, the other nurturing it into a radiant cultural renaissance.
And imagine when Kathak meets Rabindra Sangeet, something magical unfolds. The lyrical depth of Tagore's composition finds feature life in expressive Abhinay. And today, the rhythm of Ghungru aligns with our national song, Vande Mataram, which is also celebrating 150 years of its existence.
Presenting before you a confluence of legacy,
Chants of patriotism.
History often remembers events, rarely the moments that nearly disappeared. Here stands such a moment. 1894. The fire of Bankim meets the wind of Rabindranath, and India listens from the shadows. The seeds of a nation's awakening are sown in whispers and defiance.
Bankim Babu, I hope I do not intrude upon your rest.
Rest. Well, rest is for those who are finished with their work. Well, I am not. So tell me, Rabindranath, what do you think fear is?
Fear? Do you really want me to tell you what fear is, Bankim Da? Well, fear is when the mind forgets its own freedom, when we begin to doubt our own worth, our voice, our right to stand upright.
No, fear is not doubt. Fear is obedience, learned to will. It is the habit of bowing even when no hand is raised to strike.
And yet, if we teach men only to roar, fear will return, wearing another face.
Better fear in freedom than silence in chains.
No, Bankim Babu. Do you think true freedom begins when fear no longer rules the mind?
Yes, I do believe. Because where the mind is without fear and the head is held high.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Where words come out from the depth of truth. Where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. Where the mind is led forward by thee into into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father. Let my country awake.
You speak of a land where fear dissolves into thought. I speak of a land that must first remember how to stand. Rabindranath, your song fills the streets now. Students hum them under banyan trees. Young men carry them like prayers. Only because your words spoke something deep within them. But waking a nation is a dangerous work, Rabindra. A half-awake giant may stumble before he stands. A nation cannot rise on fury alone. It must rise on compassion, on unity. Unity? Without strength, unity is a polite word for helplessness. And strength without grace becomes tyranny.
Gurudev, your compassion, Bankim Babu, your fire, I need both. Without courage, I cannot rise, nor I can walk without compassion. As we celebrate 150 years of Vande Mataram, I would like to ask, is this the India we dreamt of, where poverty, hunger, caste and discrimination eats away the soul of our country?
Young India, the path ahead is not for the faint of heart. The dreams of Bankim and Tagore still echo. Will you answer their call? The pages of history turn and the question remains, what will you write next?
This is not what we envisioned. This is not what we sacrificed for.
Let us rise, Gurudev. Let us rise, Bankim Babu, for the people, for the nation, for the dreams that still burns within us. Let us sing the song that brought us all together. Vande Mataram.
7 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 1 शक्कर शक्कर दाया टुकड़ा 32
that deserve a huge round of applause.
May I request the August gathering to please acknowledge their efforts with a warm and well-deserved round of applause.
What we have witnessed is more than a performance. It is the living echoes of ideas that once awakened a nation and continued to guide its conscience. अद्विका, सुन तो आज कुछ अलग सा लग रहा है ना?
हाँ रेवान्या, आज मंच पे जैसे बोल रहो है. आओ, अपन माटी की खुशबू फिर से जगा दो.
अरे महाराज निमाड़ की धरती तो ऐसे ही है, जितनी सादी उतनी गहरी, जितनी शांत उतनी ताकतवर.
हाँ, महाराज निमाड़ में जो लिखी जाए वह सीधे दिल में उतर जाए.
तीजन बाई, जिनका नाम लेते ही ढोलक की थाप और लोकगीत की गूंज सुनाई देने लगती हैं.
उनकी आवाज़ में केवल सुर नहीं, संघर्ष भी है, समर्पण भी है और अपनी माटी से प्रेम भी.
जब वो गाती हैं तो लगता है जैसे नर्मदा भी थमकर सुन रही हो.
Dear audience, tonight we gather not merely to celebrate an artist, but to honor a legacy, a voice that echoes the soul of the soil.
So, get ready for the living heritage, a tribute to Tijan Bai, the soul of Pandavani.
मोर नाव तीजन बाई आए, मोर धरती मोर गाथा, मोर संगी महाभारत आए. गांव गांव घूमे हम, मेला ठेला में गए हम. जेन सुनेस वो मन महाभारत ला अपन आँखिन ले देखेस. कहनी सिर्फ कहनी नहीं होए, ओमन जिंदगी के सीख होए. आओ संगवारी हो मोर संगावो, पंडवानी के जादू में डूबे बरमन ला तैयार कर ला. सुनो रे सज्जन सुनो कहानी, धर्म अधर्म की अमर निशानी. पांडव बसाए इंद्रप्रस्थ और वहीं से फूटा द्वेष का रथ.
युधिष्ठिर, ये सभा केवल स्वर्ण और रत्नों से नहीं बनी, ये तुम्हारे तप, त्याग और धर्म की नींव पे खड़ी है. पर स्मरण रहे राजन, जहाँ वैभव मुस्कुराता है वहीं परीक्षा भी होती है.
हाँ भ्राता, सत्य कहा. यह इंद्रप्रस्थ केवल भवन ही नहीं, धर्म और न्याय पर स्थित हमारा आरंभ है.
सच कहूँ तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे स्वर्ग
धरती पर उतर आया हो। जिन्होंने हमें तुच्छ समझा था, काश आज वे देख पाते आज हमारा निवास यह राजभवन है।
भ्राता, ये सभा हमें स्मरण कराती है कि शांति का प्रयोग धर्म की रक्षा के लिए है।
अर्जुन भैया सत्य कहते हैं। इस सभा की हर दीवार हमारे परिश्रम और संयम की कहानी है। हाँ, पर यह भी याद रखना भाइयों, वैभव किसी के हृदय में ईर्ष्या भी जगा सकता है। हमें सावधान रहना होगा।
सत्य कहा सहदेव।
कहीं जल सूखी धरती लागे, कहीं धरती जल बन भागे। आंखें धोखा खाए हर बार, माया का यह अद्भुत संसार। राजसूयक हुआ अपार, आए राजा भरा दरबार। हस्तिनापुर से आया एक, इंद्रप्रस्थ की चमक देख। मन में ईर्ष्या और अभिमान, सुलग उठी उर की हर रेख।
देखो तो सही इन पांडवों की ठाठ, इस बंजर खांडव प्रस्थ को इन प्रस्थ बना डाला।
यह सभा है या कोई माया लोक?
जल समझकर कपड़े ऊपर खींचे, धरती समझ गिरा नीचे। हंसी गूंजी सभा के पार, टूट गया अभिमान का तार।
भैया, लगता है पांडवों ने पत्थर को भी जल बना दिया।
चुप रह दुशासन, यह सब इन पांडवों के छल का परिणाम है।
अरे यह क्या, धरती समझ के जल में गिर पड़े कौरव राजकुमार। अंधे का पुत्र अंधा ही देखे।
चलो दुशासन। मामा, मामा, द्रौपदी की हंसी की गूंज मेरे हृदय में शूल की तरह चुभ रही है। उस पांचाली को इसका मोल चुकाना ही होगा। यह हंसी नहीं, युद्ध का शंखनाद है। समझ बैठे।
भांजे, तलवार से नहीं छल से जीतेंगे उन्हें। चौसर रचाएंगे कपट विराट, हारेंगे पांडव और जीतेगा आपने।
यदि युद्ध से पहले उन पांडवों का घमंड तोड़ना है तो मैं भी इस कपट यज्ञ में आहुति दूंगा। मामा, धन नहीं पांडवों का गर्व दांव पर लगेगा।
तो तय रहा, द्रौपदी की हंसी का उत्तर यह चौसर देगी।
चौसर नहीं, यह कपट का खेल। धर्म को बांधने का है मेल। यहीं से महाभारत जागी, विनाश की कथा आगे भागी।
बारिश पड़ी जब रत्न की खजाना हार गए धर्मराज, तो बोले मामा जी अब का लगा हो दाग में। अरे भांजे, तोर जगह काय चीज की कमी है। पर पांचों पांडोला भाई धीरे धीरे करके रुपया पैसा सोना चांदी हीरा मोती हाथी घोड़ा राजमहल सबला हार गए। अच्छा जी।
भाई
अच्छा जी।
तब दुर्योधन ललकार के बोले, ए दुशासन, ला द्रौपदी के घसीट के और सभा में खड़ा कर दे।
अच्छा जी। भुजाए मरोड़ मारू शासन चले भाई। महारानी द्रौपदी लाए लाए बन भाई। भुजाए मरोड़ मारू शासन चले भाई। महारानी द्रौपदी लाए लाए बन भाई। चलो चलो भाई मोरे हाँ, बुलाए मोरे भाई।
जब पकड़ी द्रौपदी की सारी, तब द्रौपदी कही दो हाथ जोड़, अरे भैया कुल के बहू हैं और बहू के कोई इज्जत नहीं है का। भीष्म पितामह ला कही की से, पिताजी ते तो गंगा पुत्र है और आज पिता के रहते मोरे ये हाल, ते तो कुछ बोल पिताजी। तब पिताजी के सिर शर्म के मारे नीचे झुक गए।
अच्छा जी।
धरती से लेकर आसमान ले याद करे बेचारी, लेकिन उसकी लाज बचाने वाला कोई नहीं। तब द्रौपदी ला कही कि से, भैया अब तो सिवा यहाँ मुझ लाज बचाने वाला कोई नहीं। और जब मुट्ठी बांध के याद करे तो श्री कृष्ण के आसन हाथ डोले। तब द्रौपदी आँखला बंद करके देखे, भगवान श्री कृष्ण ला देख के बोली वाह। तब दो मुट्ठी खोल के कन्हैया ला कहे लगी कि बचाओ।
अच्छा जी।
कैसे शक्तिशाली होते हुए भी वीरों ने मौन साध लिया। अब प्रश्न यह नहीं कि द्रौपदी का चीरहरण हुआ, प्रश्न यह है कि उस अन्याय के विरुद्ध कौन बनेगा उस अन्याय के विरुद्ध स्वर।
Dear parents, let's applaud not just the performance we witnessed tonight, but the timeless legacy of story
minute. Through the powerful voice and the spirit of Tijan Bai and the soul-stirring art of Panjavani, we are reminded of our deep-rooted tradition, resilience and cultural pride.
May we carry forward the spirit, keeping alive our stories, our heritage, and unwavering faith in our roots.
Moving on from Chhattisgarh to the royal city of Mysore, where bravery wasn't optional and style was practically a birthright, comes the story of people who fought battles by day.
And probably dance better than all of us by night.
Absolutely right, Vidya. And tonight, the rhythm on the stage carries the echo of warriors, a tradition where courage is not just remembered but relived.
What you're about to witness draws inspiration from powerful martial traditions such as Thang Ta and Spirit of Bagh, celebrating the indomitable strength and determination of warriors.
A form where movement becomes strength, rhythm becomes resilience, and every step tells the story of courage, of men who never bowed before fear, who never trembled before the battlefield, and who stood tall against every challenge with unbreakable resolve.
Because true warriors are not defined by the battles they fight, but by the strength in their bodies, the discipline they live by, and the determination that keeps them standing tall even in the fiercest moments.
So as the drums grow louder and the energy rises, get ready to witness a performance that celebrates bravery, resilience, physical strength, and the fearless spirit of warriors.
Please put your hands together for Roar of Warriors, a tribute to the spirit of Thang Ta and Bagh dance.
Every movement reflected the spirit and the strength of warriors who never stepped back from challenges.
Indeed, what we witnessed was not just a dance, but the celebration of power, courage, and unwavering determination.
These traditions remind us that resilience is not just about the battlefield. It is about the strength to stand firm and fearless in every challenge life presents.
It is a tribute to the warrior within each of us, the spirit that rises with courage, faces adversity with confidence, and moves forward with determination. And while the roar of Mysore still echoes in this arena, guess what? The rhythm isn't done with us yet. As team members sitting in this arena, Mara Saath Chalo Sa, because tonight we are about to travel to the royal land of Rajasthan, jithe red sone ju chamke, and every step of dance tells a story of courage.
साजनिया थाड़े थकी तम बसु वीड़ा आड़े बाग काम करो ने घर बाप के ओते जीव थाड़ो रे ईतर पीतर रो मारो बेवरो रे झांझरिया मारा छे ईतर पीतर रो मारो बेवरो रे झांझरिया मारा छे
खंभा गड़ी सा और हमारा राजस्थान की अनोखो नृत्य है भवई। यो ना सिर्फ मटका ने संभाले कोड़ी, यो तो मान धीरज और राजस्थानी लुगाइयाँ के ताकत को प्रतीक से।
ठहरो जरा, तने क्यों मटका संतुलन करे है?
हाँ जी सा, ठीक सुनियो थाने। सर पे? हाँ जी सर पे।
और नाचती भी है साठे साठे।
अरीसा सिर्फ नाचती कोड़ी, कई बार तो 7-8 मटका एक साथ धर लेवे।
अरे मारा राम जी, मारे से एक किताब और पानी की बोतल भी ना संभाल जाए, और यहाँ तो मटकों को महल खड़े कर रखो से।
यही तो बात है हमारे राजस्थान की, ताकत भी, शान भी, अदा भी।
So ladies and gentlemen, थोड़ी देर खातिर थारी सांस थाम लीजो, because the grace, the courage and the spirit of Bhavai is about to whirl onto the stage.
तो जोरदार तालियां हो जावे और बोलो सा, पधारो मारे देश with rhythm of tunes, tribute to the spirit of Bhavai.
तम बसु
कब से थारो राजस्थान के नृत्य देख के लागे है जड़ी राजस्थान की पर धरती खुद ही बोल उठी से। पर एक बात पूछूं?
पूछो पूछो।
ये भवई नृत्य रो इतिहास आखिर शुरू का सुथायो?
जी सा, भवई राजस्थान रो बहुत पुरानो लोक नृत्य से कहावे से करीब 400-500 साल पहला भवई नृत्य कला राजस्थान री धरती पर जन्मी। पहला राजस्थान री महिला ने पानी भरन वास्ते लांबा लांबा फासला तय करनो पड़तो। आवर जावर सो बचवा खातर वो एक साथ कई मटका सिर पे धर के पानी लेने जावती।
घड़ी सुंदर बात कही तन्ने, जे मतलब काम भी और संतुलन भी, जे भी ठीक है। जो सफर लांबो होत तो महिला दूर दूर तक जाती, हंसती गाती। धीरे धीरे जे सब भवई में बदल गयो।
अरे सा, आज तो मनेश्वर के मेलों में भी पहुंचड़ो है।
तो जल्दी करो, कहीं देखनो चूक न जावे।
चलो चलो जल्दी।
हाँ मैं सुनी वहाँ घनी सुंदर भवई नृत्य प्रस्तुति होने वाली है।
Let's give a huge round of applause for our phenomenal performers who turned balance into brilliance and grace into grandeur.
Wasn't that absolutely mesmerizing, Ashutosh? Not a single step faltered, not a single part surrendered. If Mysore rode,
Rajasthan radiated. Just as a sculpture chisels stones into a masterpiece, a writer weaves words into a living story. In the same spirit, Palette 2026 has been envisioned and thoughtfully crafted under the discerning guidance of our eminent assistant director, Mrs. Pratima Gupta. On that note, I take the privilege of inviting ma'am and address the gathering.
Good evening and Jai Hind, ladies and gentlemen. We have all been witnessing the vibrance of this beautiful land of ours. Honestly speaking, we have so many events at Sunbeam across all the schools that hosting and curating an annual function becomes a big challenge. समझ ही नहीं आता कि हर बार कुछ निराला, कुछ अनूठा क्या करें. But when we were discussing the theme this time, it was the music and the dance department who took up the challenge, and they said that let us do something, let us do a deep dive into the culture, into the traditions of India. And then we thought that of course, what a brilliant idea. At Sunbeam, dance, music, debates, elocution are not activities. They are the parallel curriculum. And they do not happen once in a blue moon on a stage as an event. They happen within the confines of the classrooms. When a teacher, whether she is a dance teacher or he is a music teacher, when they do the research for the Pandwani, or when they read up about Bhavai and explain it to their students, what is this wonderful oral tradition and this living heritage of the country, a history lesson unfolds. When they tell the students how the women of rural Rajasthan balance the intricate 3 pots, 4 pots, 6 pots and sing their way to the wells of Rajasthan, sometimes almost 1.5 kilometers into the dreary desert sand, and then come back singing and cheerful or happy. It teaches my students resilience. It teaches my students what it means to laugh in the face of adversity and to turn every crisis into an opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, palette, the colors of heritage, is not an annual function. भारत की जो धरोहर है, हम उसको मना रहे हैं, हम उसका पर्व मना रहे हैं आज। और हमारा प्रयास यही होता है कि हम अपने बच्चों को शिक्षा किसी भी माध्यम से दें और उन्हें अपनी देश से, उन्हें अपनी संस्कृति से जोड़े रखें। You saw the Pandwani, you saw the Bhavai, and you saw how wonderfully our students have learned yet another chapter of history, geography, culture, tradition. To all my parents witnessing this program today, I want you to talk to your children once you go back home. Ask them, what did you understand about this rich country of ours? We are developing, but as I always say, कि हमारा सर बादलों में हो सकता है, लेकिन पाँव ठोस ज़मीन पे रखना और अपनी जड़ों को सुदृढ़ रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए. And that is precisely what Palette is doing. The parallel curriculum has never been celebrated so wonderfully before. Kudos team Indiranagar. Can I hear it for all my music department? All the musicians, the little musicians sitting there. Can I hear it loud for all the wonderful work that has been done for sustainability? And of course, Harsar, Reena ma'am, team Indiranagar, the way you people are carving your footprints, I feel we have made a great start towards educating our students about the country's heritage, about the lessons of sustainability. Let's hope and pray that these lessons will give us the strength to make a better future for everyone, everywhere in this world. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your empowering words. Ashutosh, as we have come to the final moments of this beautiful evening, it feels like something deeper is calling us, isn't it?
हाँ शताक्षी, क्योंकि यह अंत नहीं, यह तो शुरुआत है. Just like Kashi itself. In Kashi, life and death, they don't stand apart. They move together like a continuous cycle.
Exactly, Ashutosh. Here, on the sacred banks of River Ganga, every moment speaks of creation and dissolution, of endings that become new beginnings.
और इस अनंत चक्र के बीच, there is one divine force that binds it all together. Nataraj, the cosmic dancer.
He is not just a form, he is the soul of every movement, every step in dance, every rhythm in music, every expression in art begins from him.
From the smallest vibrations to the grandest performance, हर लय, हर ताल, हर गति, सब उन्हीं से जन्म लेती है.
In Kashi, where time feels eternal, his dance becomes a rhythm of life itself. Creation, destruction, and transformation, flowing endlessly.
वह आदि है, वही गति है, वही परिवर्तन है.
And tonight, as we bow to this eternal truth, we present
Nataraj,
the dance of cosmic eternity.
नटराज बना क्योंकि सृष्टि रुकने लगी थी. मैं नटराज बना ताकि जीवन को उसकी लय याद दिला सकूं. मैं नटराज बना क्योंकि परिवर्तन जरूरी था. मैं नटराज बनाता कि जीवन भय नहीं उत्सव बन सके। जहाँ गति भी शांति हो और परिवर्तन भी आश्रय, और जब ये लय केवल गति बनकर अधूरी रह जाए। तब मैं प्रकाश बनकर ठहर जाता हूँ धरती पर बार बार। हर ज्योतिर्लिंग मेरे नृत्य का ठहरा हुआ क्षण है, जहाँ गति थमती नहीं बल्कि प्रकाश बनकर मन में उतर जाती है। इन 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग मैं गति नहीं सांत्वना बन जाता हूँ, और सत्या को सिद्ध नहीं होना पड़ता।
ज्वाला जगे, कैलाश से प्रकाश भागे। महादेवा तेज से भरा तेरा रूप खड़ा, जटा में बहती गंगा धारा, नयन में ब्रह्मांड सारा। महादेव जय शंभो, महादेव जय शंभो। शिवाय नमः, शंभवे नमः, त्रिलोचनाय नमः, नीलकंठाय नमः। तेरी दे दीवानी, गले में सर्प तेरा अभिमानी, तेरा एक तांडव परी अप्पा, जग करे तेरा नाम उच्चारित। शिव तांडव भूलेगा आक्रोश प्रचंड की ताल पे जब हो जाए, मन में शिव का वास हो जाए। नमः शिवाय शिवतराय, नमः कराय कालिने, नमः मृत्युंजय देवाय, सर्व भयराय नमः। तेरी जटा में छिपी कहानी, तेरी लीला जग की रानी, तेरे बिना न दिन ना रात, तू ही भक्तों की सौगात। तेरा स्वरूप कभी शांत कभी ऋतु, कभी झरना कभी अग्नि, कभी संगीत, कभी ताल कभी ब्रह्मांड, कभी शून्य। जय महाकाल, जय महाकाल, शिव शक्तिशाली अनंत विशाल।
Everyone, let's honor this sublime performance with a thunderous round of applause for our extraordinary sunbeams.
What you witnessed tonight was more than dance. It was emotion in motion, history in rhythm, and tradition brought to life.
The stage stands still now, yet it echoes with every rhythm, every expression, every story we witnessed tonight. This evening has been a tribute to the art of performing arts, an art form that speaks without needing permission and inspires without needing explanation.
And this liberty to appreciate art has been given to us by our chairperson Dr. Deepak Madhok and vice chairperson Mrs. Bharti Madhok, who believe that education isn't just taught, it is performed, it is expressed, it is lived.
I kindly request Sir and Ma'am to come forward and address this august gathering.
A very good evening and Jai Hind. And I'm first of all very happy to see the houseful participation of parents of Indiranagar. It truly shows how much love and how much interest you have in your children and in your school. और ये स्कूल और ये बच्चे उसी दिन बड़े होते हैं, उसी दिन आगे बढ़ते हैं जिस दिन आपका इंटरेस्ट, आपकी रुचि और आपका पार्टिसिपेशन होता है स्कूल के अंदर. एंड व्हेनेवर यू कम टू आवर स्कूल एंड यू कीप टेलिंग अस अबाउट व्हाट एंड यू कीप क्लैपिंग फॉर अस और यू कीप सजेस्टिंग टू अस, यू ऑल्सो सजेस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. आप लोगों के सजेशन से ही, सुझावों से हम लोगों ने हर बार बहुत से चेंजेस किए हैं. 54 years of Sunbeam, और इन 54 years में हम जहाँ पे हैं, भगवानपुर जहाँ से शुरू हुआ, हम लोगों ने कितनी चीज़ें बदली हैं, कितनी चीज़ें सीखी हैं. एंड वी कीप ऑन लर्निंग एवरी डे. वी रिसेंटली कंक्लूडेड 150 schools conference, one of the biggest schools conference ever in Varanasi, और वो आज सुबह ही उसकी समाप्ति आहुति थी. पिछले 3 दिनों से वी हैव बीन इन द सेशंस एंड एवरी पर्सन, एवरी ओनर, एवरी डायरेक्टर, एवरी प्रिंसिपल हु केम फ्रॉम चेन्नई टू अगरतला टू गुवाहाटी टू अहमदनगर टू बहादुरगंज टू नासिक टू जम्मू, everybody from Chennai, they were only talking of the hospitality of Sunbeam. और आपने देखा होगा कि मेरे पास मोबाइल के मैसेजेस तो बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो गई ये जगह, because I had 100 messages saying बनारस जैसा अद्भुत शहर, बनारस जैसे अद्भुत लोग और सनबीम जैसा स्कूल उन्होंने कभी नहीं देखा. And I want to thank each member of the Sunbeam family who works so tirelessly, selflessly. It's as if they own Sunbeam, that ownership, that the way in which they give their heart, चाहे वो घाट के ऊपर बोट में जाना हो और चाहे वो डिनर पे उनको एंटरटेन करना हो, चाहे उनके साथ खड़े होना हो, अमेजिंग यूनिटी एंड अमेजिंग स्पिरिट ऑफ सनबीम. एंड द स्पिरिट ऑफ सनबीम इज ग्रोइंग, आप सबके साथ और बड़ी हो रही है. सनबीम इंदिरा नगर is perhaps the best school for juniors in this entire area. And students, do you know why I'm saying this? Because the student-teacher ratio of this school is amazing. ये तो ऐसे लगता है जैसे आप क्या home tuition हो रही हो. And it's a fact, because for every 10 or 12 children, there is one teacher, one staff member in Sunbeam Indira Nagar. The classes are small. There are 20 students, 25 students in each class. And as I always say, it's like a small Shanti Niketan, where the teacher knows what tiffin the students are bringing to school, and the teacher knows कि किसकी मम्मी सबसे अच्छा खाना भेजती हैं, को यहाँ तक मालूम है. So ये एक परिवार, एक फैमिली की तरह है ये छोटा सा स्कूल. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू वन थिंग, अ स्मॉल स्कूल इज ऑलवेज गुड फॉर योर चिल्ड्रन, बिकॉज द कॉन्फिडेंस इन विच दे ग्रो अप, द क्लोजनेस टू ऑफ द टीचर टू द स्टूडेंट, एंड द सुपरविजन इज 3 times, 4 times better than any big school. You get lost in a big school. And with that, once again, I welcome all the parents, and I'm going to ask these wonderful children who were so good on the orchestra. Can we have a big hand for the students on the orchestra of Sunbeam Indira Nagar? And now can we have a big round of applause for all the wonderful houseful attendance of the parents of Indira Nagar. Wow, thank you so much for lighting us. And thank you so much for encouraging us. Please keep coming to the school. Please keep walking up to your teachers. Please keep giving your comments and suggestions. हमें सब आपके comments और suggestions, क्योंकि school आपके लिए है और हम सब बच्चों के लिए हैं. मैं इसके साथ ही once again, I would like to thank the wonderful participants, and all the programs were good. Reena ma'am and your coordinators. A big hand to all the teachers who have done so well. Wonderful, awesome, superb, fascinating, beautiful.
Thank you, sir. You said it all. And I can only echo your thoughts. I can only say yes, ditto, ditto. But yes, I too have to compliment first of all, for the timing of this program. Perfect. Exams get over. Children are comparatively free. And there is no stress कि क्या practice कर रहे हो, कल exam है. So, the timing was so good that children enjoyed. And I'm sure all of you, कल छुट्टी थी, आज भी, it was a more relaxed day. So, I'm happy that you chose this time. And we are very lucky with the weather also. And yes, as sir has said, school is made, right? It's a community. And the kind of support, unconditional support, we get from our parents' community, I think it's unmatched. I have to say thanks to all the parents, because now at least 30 or 40% of the children are second generation students, because mummy, papa, someone has studied, chacha or someone has studied, and now they once again, they're choosing Sunbeam over any other school. And in many cases, Dada has studied, or Nana has studied, or Nani has studied, and now they are bringing their grandchildren. So, इससे बड़ा और हम लोग के लिए reward कुछ नहीं होगा. When you choose Sunbeam again and again, And it is your that unconditional love. Our good, our bad, everything you have embraced. I have to thank each one of you for that. Also, today when I saw these teachers coming on the stage and dancing, it gave me satisfaction that no one is on the other side of the table. We are all together in this journey. We are learning together, we are growing together. The kind of workshops teachers are attending from last so many days is remarkable. Every year we think we have studied enough and now we are able to teach. But every year we find something new which we have to deal with. There is a challenge and usi challenge ka maza aata hai. And I can see all my teachers now practicing their hand on AI, whether it is presentations or music or so many things. Also, I would like to compliment Sunbeam Indiranagar. They are never, complaining or that element of self-pity कि हम छोटे स्कूल में हैं. Rather, they have made it their strength. You can see the band. I don't know when do you get time to practice band, and they played so beautifully. Also, the music department, look at these young children. One or two good teachers make such a lot of difference. So I want all of you to please clap for all these teachers who have made a difference. Sunbeam Indiranagar, a perfect school. They have created greenery. They have created enough place to sit, and compliments to Pratima ma'am and her planning, how she creates.
Can we have Pratima ma'am and Reena ma'am on the stage with her coordinators and lieutenants?
And as sir said, it feels like home. When you walk in, there is hardly any difference between us, teachers, students, parents. You can walk up to anyone and talk. And the biggest gift, dear teachers, dear admins, if you can give to anyone, is listening. And when parents come and when they have to share something, sometimes we can't help them. But when we listen to them, that is the biggest gift we can give to them. So dear teachers, please take it back with you. Each child should feel safe to talk to you. Each child should be loved. Sunbeam means children first. And whatever we are doing, we want the best for our children. And for that, I salute Team Sunbeam Indiranagar for doing justice with that. They are doing so much for sustainability. Children are going, they are doing so much social work. And it's only when you do something for others. जब आप सेवा करते हो ना, that is when you become a better person. And we want our children to do some seva so that they can empathize with people around them. We are so blessed, we are so lucky. And if we somehow inculcate this value system in our children, पढ़ाई लिखाई is now available. AI पे सब कुछ मिल रहा है. All information is there. We just have to focus on making our generation next good human beings. And I'm sure parents will also believe in this thought. It's only when your thoughts and our thoughts are aligned, we'll be able to do justice with the children. With these words, thank you so much, everyone. And congratulations, Team Sun City, headed by Harsh, sir. Harsh, please come and stand with your team, the team leader, I'm sure under your supervision.
And I hope with Harsh sir being the team leader at Indiranagar, you are going to give a challenge to the bigger schools of Varanasi, including Sunbeam Lahartara and Bhagwanpur. So you have to be better than Sunbeam Lahartara and Bhagwanpur. You have to take Sunbeam Indiranagar at par to the two big bosses of education in Uttar Pradesh. एक है लहरतारा, एक है भगवानपुर, और एक अब वरुणा है थर्ड बॉस. अब स्कूलों के कंपटीशन में तीनों चारों सनबीम ही हैं, लेकिन आपको उनसे आगे निकलना है.
Sir, Indiranagar, the heart is at the right place.
Yeah.
That is the most important thing. They always want children to have that happiness, that joy of learning, and that is why Indiranagar rocks.
There are
God
two
bless.
new things happening at Indiranagar, and must tell the parents. One is the clickers. Now, clicker is something, I know, Reena ma'am, you must have informed the parents. It is a participation of the children in the classroom. Classroom में हर बच्चा वोट दे सकता है, participate कर सकता है. और आजकल जो मल्टीपल चॉइस के क्वेश्चंस हैं वो बोर्ड पे आते हैं और आपके हाथ में एक छोटा सा यंत्र है, इसको क्लिकर कहते हैं. This is the most modern thing. It is the first time in UP that Sunbeam is doing. All Sunbeams are doing. All children in all classes are having the clicker, and they will be clicking on that. एक दिन हम चाह रहे हैं कि आपका एक सेशन पेरेंट्स का, let's have a quiz or something for parents in which all the parents are doing the clicker. The second thing is about the adventure park. We have also started an adventure park at Prava, जहाँ बच्चे स्क्रीन टाइम से दूर, फ़ोन से दूर, क्योंकि एक ही बहुत बड़ी अभी बीमारी है, वो है फ़ोन का एडिक्शन, स्क्रीन्स का एडिक्शन. 8 घंटे 6 घंटे बच्चे टीवी के आसपास रहते हैं या स्क्रीन पे रहते हैं. हम चाहते हैं कि उनको एडवेंचर में ले जाएं, जहाँ पे जिप लाइन हो, जहाँ पे ऐसे गेम्स हो, जहाँ पे टेंट हो, जहाँ बच्चे दौड़ें, नेचर में जाएं, उनको पता चले कि ये पेड़ किस फल का, कौन सा फल है और ये कौन सा इसका नाम है पौधे का, बिकॉज चिल्ड्रन आर गोइंग अवे फ्रॉम नेचर. सो एडवेंचर पार्क एंड क्लिकर, these are the two new things, and I invite the parents to please help us in doing this. With that,
Let's take a picture, sir, if you don't mind.
Can we have?
Sit down. Do you mind? Sir.
Thank you, sir and ma'am, for your empowering words. As we close this extraordinary celebration of performing arts, remember this. Whenever someone says, but that's not how it's done, smile and reply, that's why I'm doing it. With that spirit in our hearts, I kindly request everyone to rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उज्ज्वल जलधि तरंग. तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा. जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे.
Jai Hind. May I now request the school band members to kindly escort the guests.